The world has exploded with media use. Everywhere you look, people are using media. On their cell phones, on their laptops, on tablets, watching television, listening to radio, reading a newspaper. Media are everywhere. When was the last time you went a single day without using media? Media have exploded in the modern age. And at the heart of media content is good writing. Media producers today need good writers. Good writers are the backbone of media content. In order to be a good writer, you need to know how technology is used. How does a person use radio? In what circumstances are they tuning into radio? For example, are they in their car? Are they at home? And what are they doing while they're also listening to radio? Good writers need to know how technology is used. Good writers also need to know the limits and advantages of each individual technology. For example, television is very visual, and therefore a writer needs to concentrate very much on writing material that concentrates on the visuals of television. And good writers also need to know the syntax of each technology. Because each technology has a different advantage and a different limitation, there are different writing rules for each medium. For example, newspapers, they can be read over and over and over. You don't understand a word? Read it again. You don't understand a sentence? Read it again. Study that sentence. That's an advantage that you have for newspapers that you don't have for radio. So good writers need to know how technology is used, the limits and advantages of each technology, and the syntax of each technology. If you can assess these three dimensions, you can be a good writer for media.